Hey guys, we are going to learn how to convert PDF to Word document in mobile, and all we have to do is to launch our Chrome, or I'm just going to tap on this search that is here. And then from here, I am going to search for Adobe PDF to Word. As you can see, I already searched for it. I'm going to tap on this website. I'm going to select a file. Then I'm going to tap on media. And then I'm going to tap on document. From there, I'm going to choose. Let's say I choose this one. I'm going to wait for it to load. From there, we're going to continue with Google since our file is ready. From here, we can decide to either continue on web or get up. I'm going to tap on continue on web. As you can see, our PDF has been converted to Word. We can tap on the three dots that are here and then tap on download. We're going to tap on download again, and our file will be downloaded as Word. And thank you guys for watching this video. Please do like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.